So for this problem, we have 4y plus 20x equals 16, and we want to plug in negative 2 in for x. So when you plug in negative 2, you have to solve for y. So then 20 times negative 2 gives you negative 40. Then add 40 to both, and you get 4y equals 16 plus 40, which is 56. Divide by 4, and you get 14. So y is 14, and the point is going to be parentheses negative 2 comma 14 close parentheses. Now we're plugging in negative 1 for x. So then 20 times negative 1 is negative 20. Then you add 20 to both sides, and you get 4y equals 36. Divide by 4, y is 9. So the point is in parentheses, negative 1 comma 9. Now we're plugging in 0. So we'd get 4y plus 20 times 0 equals 16. Well, 20 times 0 is just 0, so you get 4y equals 16. Divide by 4, y is 4. So the point is 0 comma 4. Now we're plugging in 1, so we get 4y plus 20 times 1 equals 16, which is 4y plus 20 equals 16. Subtract 20 from both. You get 4y equals negative 4. Divide by 4, you get negative 1. So the point is 1, negative 1. And now we're plugging in 2. So we get 4y plus 20 times 2 equals 16. 20 times 2 is 40. Subtract 40 from both sides. 16 minus 40 is negative 24. Then divide by 4, you get negative 6. So the point is 2 comma negative 6. And so 0, 4 is right here. And 2, negative 6 is right here. Oh, let me see. I did the graph wrong. I went, instead of 0, 4, I went to 0, 3. So 0, 4, let's try that again. 0, 4, and then 2, negative 6.